Hello students, good morning. Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas Part 2 Triangle. Triangle is a three-sided polygon. It has three sides, three angles and three vertices. In this given triangle ABC, AB, BC and AC are the sides. Angle BAC, angle ACB and angle ABC are the three angles of this triangle. The point where any two of the three sides of a triangle meet is called the vertex of the triangle. In this triangle ABC, A, B and C are the vertices. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. It has four sides, four angles and four vertices. Circle. Circle is a closed figure formed by a set of points in a plane which are located at the same distance from a fixed point which is called the center. Some important terms related to circle. Radius. The fixed distance at which the points are located from the center is called radius of the circle. Diameter. Diameter is the line segment which joins any two points on the circle by passing through the center. Relation between radius and diameter. Diameter is equal to twice the radius or radius is half of diameter. Circumference. The distance around the circle is known as its circumference or perimeter of the circle. Chord. A line segment joining any two points on the circle is called its chord. Diameter is the longest chord in a circle. Sector. A sector is a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc and a pair of radii on the other sides. A pizza slice represents a sector of the circular pizza. Segment. It is a region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and a chord. Exercise 4.4 question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its interior or in its exterior? Point A lies on the given triangle ABC. It lies neither in interior nor exterior. Point A lies neither in the interior nor in the exterior of this triangle. It is on the triangle. It is a vertex of the triangle. Question number 2. Identify three triangles in the figure. Triangle ABC, triangle ACD and triangle ADB are the three triangles. Write the names of 7 angles. Angle ABC, angle ADB, angle ADC, angle ACB, angle BAD, angle CAD and angle BAC. Write the names of 6 line segment. Line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CA, line segment AD, line segment BD, and line segment CD. Which two triangles have angle B as common? Triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Exercise 4.5, question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. So first we draw the rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Now for naming a quadrilateral, there is a proper way. That is, a quadrilateral is named by writing the letters representing its vertices in a cyclic manner. So now we can write the vertices in a cyclic manner: P, Q, R and S. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral. So here PR and QS are the diagonals of this quadrilateral. They meet at a point O, which is in the interior of the quadrilateral. Question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State two pairs of opposite sides. Opposite sides of a quadrilateral means sides which do not have a common endpoint. So in this question, KL and NM, KN and ML are two pairs of opposite sides. Next, two pairs of opposite angles. Opposite angles means two angles which do not have a common side. So in this question, angle KLM and angle KNM are two pairs of opposite angles. Next, two pairs of adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means two sides of a quadrilateral having a common endpoint. So KL and KN, NM and ML, KL and LM, NM and NK. So these are the adjacent sides. Two pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means angle having a common side. So here angle K and angle L, angle M and angle N, angle K and angle N, angle L and angle M are the four pairs of adjacent angles. Exercise 4.6, question number 1. From the figure, identify the center of the circle. Center of the circle is O. Three radii, OA, OB and OC are the three radii. A diameter, AC is a diameter. A chord, ED is a chord of this circle. 2 points in the interior, O and P are 2 points in the interior. 1 point in the exterior, Q. A sector, AOB is a sector. ED is a segment. Question number 2. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. Diameter is also called the longest chord in a circle. Is every chord of a circle is also a diameter? No, every chord is not a diameter. Only the chord passing through the center is called the diameter. Question number 3. Draw any circle. Mark its center. A radius. a diameter, a sector, a segment, a point in its interior, a point in its exterior, and an arc. Question 4. Say true or false. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. True. They will always intersect each other at the center of the circle. B. The center of the circle is always in its interior. True. The center of the circle is always in its interior. Home assignment. Write exercises 4.4, 4.5 and 4.6 in your geometry book. Thank you.